Hello all, welcome back. And in this video, we're going to understand how to install TypeScript in your machine. Okay, so once we're done with the installation, we do a workspace setup and we'll start developing of TypeScript programs. Okay, so before I start with the TypeScript installation, so how we install TypeScript is actually TypeScript. If you want to install, you need to install first Node.js. So you must have to install Node.js in your system. So once you have installed Node.js, then you can start installing a TypeScript. So I know you guys knows already how to install a Node.js, right? It's quite simple. If you want to install Node.js, just go to Google, type Node.js. Yeah, this is the official website of Node.js. Here you get the latest version 14.15 or anything else. Just click on this button. It will download a Node.js. Okay, so once it is downloaded, just double click on it. Next, 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 finish. Very, very simple. Just click on next, next, and finish. Done. Okay, so once you are done with the Node.js, then you can install a TypeScript. So how we install is uh, before I install TypeScript, you can check after you're done with the installation of Node.js, right? So you have to check is it really installed in your system or not, because it's very important to know. So how to check that Node.js installation is, you can check node space hyphen hyphen version. Open your command prompt and check this command. So node space hyphen hyphen version, it's supposed to give you the version of Node.js which is installed in your system. Let me try. If I say command prompt, I say node space hyphen hyphen version, enter. So I get some bit older version 12.14. That's fine. Any one version has come. Some people we get node is not recognized internal external command. It means you have not done the installation of Node.js. So you do the download again and double click next next, and you have to do it until you get the version. So if you get a version successfully installed, once you install Node.js, then you can install a TypeScript. How you install TypeScript with Node.js is, command to install TypeScript is npm, the node package manager, which is the package manager which comes along with Node.js. So npm space install hyphen g in the global and TypeScript. Simple. Okay, npm install hyphen g TypeScript. If you enter this command, so TypeScript is gonna install in your system. Okay, this along with itself, it comes with a TypeScript compiler to convert TypeScript to JavaScript. Okay, so please do this command anywhere in the command prompt. Okay, and make sure before you hit this command, you need to have an internet connection, because it will download from the TypeScript library and get it to your system. Okay, so make sure you have internet connection and do this. Okay, let me try this. Copy, paste it, enter. So this will take it'll take few minutes, I guess. Yeah, it started. So it depends on your internet speed. Okay, so yeah, it's been done. Say TypeScript 4.1.3, and moreover, you can even check the version after you're done with the installation. How to check the version is simply TSC, TypeScript compiler space hyphen hyphen version. Okay, try this, TypeScript compiler space hyphen hyphen version. So it's gonna get the TypeScript version. So let's say TSC space hyphen hyphen version, all lowercase, enter. So version 4.1.3. So this is the current version of TypeScript as of I'm recording this video. Okay, fine. So now we understand what is TypeScript and importance of TypeScript over JavaScript, and also we have installed a TypeScript compiler. So what next? We have to start a programming. Okay, we have to create a workspace and we have to start programming. So first we I put in this way. First, we'll start with a functional programming, like just generally what is variable declaration, data types, arrays, objects, like functions, like multiple function-oriented scenarios we'll see, because you get a clear idea when compared to JavaScript and TypeScript. Then we'll switch to object-oriented nature. Okay, so what is class, interface, encapsulation, polymorphism, all object oriented features we'll see. And then we'll see some of the design patterns, And also we'll see how to work TypeScript with the DOM. Okay, we can also develop some nice application just like JavaScript, okay, which runs on a browser. Okay, so plain TypeScript with HTML and CSS which runs on a browser. Okay, of course it convert to JavaScript also. So that's how. Okay, so we are going to understand this way. So first we start with a very basic from functional oriented. So let's start our the basic TypeScript programming in the next video. Thank you.